Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC, I'm going to go over how you would drop down your spare tire. So on this vehicle, the spare tire is located under the vehicle, and you need to drop it down so that you can get it off the locking mechanism. So to start with, you'd have the trunk hatch open. You pull up this little hatch, you pull this. We got this fancy little hanger so that we can keep everything held up here so that it won't fall down. And then down, right here is where your jack is for your vehicle. And then under this cover is where all of your tools are located for changing your spare tire. But you see this little knob right here? This is what you use to lower your spare tire down so that you can get it out. You've got this tool that sits right in here. You put this on there, take your standard tool that you would use for your jack, put it into here, and then take this tool and put it together, and then you would just crank it, and as you're cranking this, it's lowering the tire down to the ground so that you can get it off to be able to put it on because you've had a flat. And then you would use just a standard scissor jack like any other scissor jack and jack up your car. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.